Good morning, my beautiful people. I'm going to give you a quick update on my container home project. Let's go inside, see what's been done. As you can tell, all the drywall is put in. All the electrical is in, where the hi-hats are going to go. Just to give you, again, a layout. The kitchen there's going to be a cabinet here. The sink is going to be here. It's going to go along this wall right about to the middle. And then there's going to be a bench that comes out here for some seating. The living room is on this side, as I stated before. On this side here is where the TV is going to go. We're going to probably, not sure yet, but create a fireplace there. Sofa is going to go here. We're going to come alongside here. On the other side of this window, we're going to create a bar so that we can open this window up and pass over food or whatever we're going to do there. Again, pocket door. It's going to lead into the bedroom. This is going to be the bedroom. And then the bathroom. Vanity goes here. Toilet, shower, and a nice, decent closet is going to go there.